Now select the table and insert chart. Now if it happens that sometimes something else will appear, all you have to do is go to this area, chart type, and change it to line. And then click on series, or customize rather, and click on series. And we want to get some markers. So let's say 7, and see the points now appear. We also want to go to the axis, because you see that last marker there is hidden. So I want to increase my maximum value to, let's say, 20. So I can close this now, and there you have your data. Now you can change the title. And this one should be quarters. You can change it here, or you can change it there. This is the only part that's different from Excel. The rest are very similar.